Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the MI11X device, whether the phone has got a LED notification light or not. So this is another question, friends, which was asked by a lot of users, that whether the phone has any kind of LED notification light on the top or not. And still some of the users, they do care about this kind of small things like LED notification light and the micro SD card support as well. This kind of things are must for some kind of users. So let's see, in this video we'll be discussing about the MI11X device, whether the phone has got any LED notification light on the top or not. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friend Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for playlist of the MI11X device. You can find all the videos together in one single playlist, so always do check the links in description below, friends. So let's get started with this kind of LED notification light test on this MI11X device. And this is going to be some kind of disappointment for those kind of users who are looking into LED notification light, because the phone doesn't have any kind of notification light at all. So that is the biggest disadvantage, friends, for this kind of phone. So definitely I did expect some kind of small notification light to be present in this phone. So let me try to demonstrate you by connecting the charger. So right now it is a charger which has been connected to the plug, and let me try to plug it in. As you can see, it's charging, but there is no LED notification light which is available on the phone at all. So I cannot even spot anything, friends. So let me try to bring another smartphone which has a LED notification light before. As you can see, you can clearly see the LED notification light on the top of the phone. So some of the phones still they do have this kind of LED notification light. You can clearly see here, friends. So this kind of LED notification light also helps for a lot of users in terms of getting the notifications, but luckily the phone has got the always on display functionality, so where the all the notifications you can get reminded by this kind of always on display notifications. So instead of actual LED notification light, they do have always on display notifications. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. I'll try to do in-depth review on this particular topic about the always on display functionality. So most of the premium end smartphones, they skip this kind of small usage like notification light and micro SD card support still. So I wish they could have included those options as well for the premium end smartphones, but it's not the case. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review on this one, and for more important videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews which I'm going to do on this phone in the future. So thank you for watching, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.